Good morning, magandang umaga from Bacoor, Cavite in the Philippines. Today we're going to have some work done in the garage. Some people are going to help us to lay out some tiles, and the tiles should be arriving anytime soon. Okay, they're delivering the tiles right now. So we're having the tiles changed for the garage. Hey, Joseph! Naiiyak ka. Hoy, pumunta ka dito. Kasama natin si Joseph. Taglish tayo. Hey Joseph, kumusta? Magsalita ka. This is Joseph. He's talking to my mom. Ito si Gilbert. Hey Gilbert. Ito na yung tiles. We have the tiles here. And we're gonna lay out these tiles in this floor. Ito ang aming foreman for today. Joseph, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Anong first step pag nag-layout tayo ng tiles? So, ano muna natin gagawin, Joseph? Mag-layout? Magsusukat or what? Itataas natin yung door.
Tatanggalin ko muna.
Kasi hindi level yung floor, no?
Oh.
So what Joseph is doing right now, he is adjusting the door because we're gonna lay out some tiles underneath.
Tayo sa sala. Mawawala yung ano nito dito eh.
Yung
Kulay.
okay lang yan. Iba namang tiles yan eh.
Hindi, tatabak. Kuhanin ko na lang. Yan, lagi ka mo na.
Tapos ito naman bago.
So Joseph, ano lang ginagawa natin ngayon? Tagalog yan ha.
Ayos!
Sige, describe mo anong ginagawa natin.
Nakikita ka sa ano?
Ano yan? Cement?
Semento.
Cement? Sige. Ayan, si Gilbert. Gumagawa ng cement. Cement tsaka tubig, di ba?
Para kumaka.
Okay.
Ano ka dito?
Tulungan kita.
Okay, second tile. Adhesive. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Tama, boss?
Yes, sir.
Para sa tayo.
Alright. Uy, malapit na. L shape. So the workers left for the day, and so far this is what they finished for today. I'm estimating this will be done in about 2 or 3 days.
Antayin mo si Gilbert. Buhatin mo. Magmerienda ka muna.
So it's the second day now of the work that they're doing in the garage. Let's check it out. What they're doing right now, I think, is they're trimming the door because they have to put some tiles underneath. Let's see. Okay, second day na natin, no? Ayan.
Ganda ng tile.
Okay, Joseph, anong ginagawa mo?
Kakating.
Cutting.
May English pa, cutting ata.
Sabi mo, magtatagalog ka. Cutting ka dyan.
Cutting ka dyan. Hindi na makita.
Tanggalin mo kasi yung shades mo. So this is the second day of laying out tiles for the garage. I would say, yeah, they finished maybe more than 50%. We're almost there. Alright, it's the third day of the work. Let's check it out. Traffic. Yan. O, diba? Kasama natin si Joseph. Bali, malapit na matapos. O, ayan. Okay na. Ang galing ng... saan ka nakatira, Joseph?
Diyan lang sa Green Valley.
Taga Green Valley. Mga taga Green Valley dyan. Tapos, anong mga projects mo, ganyan? Sa construction, ganyan-ganyan?
All-around naman ako, kahit saan.
Saan yung pinakamalayong napuntahan mo sa work mo?
Dito lang sa Pilipinas. sa Cavite, sa Manila, sa Laguna.
So, hinintay na lang natin sina Gilbert. And, mag-hello ka na lang sa family mo.
Hello.
Sabihin mo ko ng mga nila. Yung, wife mo, ano wife?
Hello, Josephine. I love you.
Okay. Tapos na kami, so, yan. Popost na namin yung video mamaya. Okay. So, we are done, guys. It's awesome. I love it. Mamaya ipopost ko na, ha? We're gonna post the video mamaya. So that is it, guys. We're done with the project. And I learned a few things about laying out tiles. It's a good learning experience for me. As always, keep safe, and I'll see you on the next one.